prove that sum of first n positive integers that is positive integers is nothing but the set of natural number, that is sum of first n natural number is n plus 1 divided by 2. Now to prove this statement we are going to apply inductive techniques, that is mathematical induction, first principle of mathematical induction. So step first, that is we want to show here the sum of first n natural number 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot n is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. So this is the given statement. We can write this statement as Pn. Now to show that this statement is true for all positive integer, we are going to apply here first principle of mathematical induction. Now in step first we want to show that P1 is true, that is we want to show here the result is true for n is equal to 1. So on the left hand side, now here n indicate the number of terms. So for n equal to 1, the first term is what? 1. So LHS is equal to 1. On the RHS, on the right hand side, if you put here in place of n, if you put here 1, then we get 1 plus 1 divided by 2. So it is equal to 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1, and therefore LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS, and hence we can write the statement P1 is true. This statement is true for n equal to 1. Now in step number 2, we assume Pk is true for some positive integer k, that is the result is true for n is equal to k. We assume here the result is true for n equal to k, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus for some n is equal to k, our result is true, that is k plus 1 divided by 2. Now in step number 3, we want to show here, prove that Pk plus 1 is true, that is we want to show here result is true for n is equal to k plus 1, result is true for n equal to k plus 1. So in place of n, if you put here k plus 1, then we want to show here, that is we want to show 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot k plus 1 is equal to, in place of n, if you put k plus 1, that is k plus 1 k plus 2 divided by 2. Here we want to show this, that is here in the given statement, this is the given statement, and here in place of n we put k plus 1. Okay, so we want to show here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k plus 1 is equal to k plus 1 into k plus 2 divided by 2. Now to prove this statement, we consider here LHS, and then from LHS we are going to show that LHS is equal to RHS. So on the left hand side it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot k plus 1. Now the terms, the number behind the term k plus 1, number k plus 1 is k. Okay, so and from the step number 2, the value of this term is equal to, from the term, step number 2, the value of 1 plus 2 plus k dot k is k plus 1 divided by 2. So we can write here the value of this term, value of this bracket, we can circle, we can write as k plus 1 divided by 2 plus k plus 1. So if you simplify this, then it is equal to k plus 1 plus 2 times k plus 1 divided by 2. So if you take k plus 1 outside, then what is left inside the bracket, it is equal to k plus 2 divided by 2. if you take the k plus 1 outside, this k plus 1 and if this term k plus 1 if you take outside, inside the bracket k plus 1 into k plus 2 divided by 2, and this is what our right hand side. So pk plus 1, it is equal to what? Our right hand side. So we start from LHS and we obtain LHS is equal to what? RHS, and therefore this pk plus 1 is true. This implies the statement is true for n is equal to k plus 1, and therefore by using first principle of mathematical induction we can write, hence by using above 3 steps we can write the result is true for all natural number or positive integers, and hence we can by using mathematical induction we can write 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot n is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2 by using first principle of mathematical induction.